Struggling to keep your AI characters looking exactly the same in every single shot? Well, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you 3 bulletproof ways to completely lock in your character's identity using Nano Banana 2. By the end of this video, you'll be generating perfectly consistent characters step by step, even if you're a total beginner. So let's dive in. Alright, method 1 is absolute game changer, even if it sounds a little technical at first. It's called JSON prompting. So, when you normally write a prompt, it's just like a one big block of text, right? Something like a young man with curly hair, etc., etc. That's fine, but AI kind of reads it all together and decides what to prioritize, and sometimes it ignores things. So, instead of that, break your prompt into clear labeled section. Think of it like giving AI a structured form to fill out instead of paragraph to interpret. So here's what a basic JSON prompt looks like. You've got character block over here that describes all the different features of your character. Then there's the outfit, environment, style of the photography, etc. You can make it as detailed as possible so that you'll get exactly what kind of result you're looking for. So let me show you this in action. I've got an entire description of my character along with the outfit that she's wearing, the environment of the image, as well as the style. Now all I have to do is click on this add button and then choose the create image option, and that's it. I've got my prompt image selected. Now if I hit send, it will start the image generation according to the JSON format that we have provided. Okay, so here's the result that we got. Now to actually test out the character consistency, I'm just going to copy the same exact prompt and make some tweaks in it. Like I'm going to change the outfit as well as the environment over here. So here are the changes. I've asked the change of outfit to be a white maxi dress, and then for the environment we have got a coffee shop. So if I hit generate, this is the result I've got, and this was the previous result. So you can see that we've got the same face, hair, all the features, and all we did was change a few backgrounds, and that's about it. So you're essentially telling the AI these parts are logged in, only changes are the environment as well as the outfit. Because our character description was pretty on point. We have got everything like hair, eyes, skin, everything. So make sure you give a good description so you'll get the same character every time. That was the method 1. Let's move on to the next method. Now, method 2 is my personal favorite because it completely automates the JSON process we just talked about. The downside of method 1 is that you have to write a detailed JSON prompt from scratch every time you want to generate a consistent image. So instead, we are going to be using a feature that Gemini offers, which is Gemini Gems. It will basically act as a custom AI assistant inside Google Gemini, and you can personally ask for it to do anything. And the best part is that you only set it up once and it will provide you with the prompts every time. Now to set it up, simply open up this gems from the sidebar and click on the new gem, create a new gem, give it a name like character consistency.